What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. Good early afternoon from Canada. I'm back home after 2 days of travel. The jet lag has been extremely real. I'm still exhausted, but glad to be back. Just renewing my passport, visiting the folks. This is where it all started with the crypto online journey, and I've been able to travel to Africa, to the Caribbean, so pretty cool. But I'm back home now. So we're going to go over our friend Matic. I will be getting my videos out earlier in the day. Just had to run some errands today. So just a little bit of a late start, but that's okay. Currently we're sitting at 84 cents. We're down 5.6 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 6.67 billion. And the 24-hour volume, 860 million. Let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we met the minimum target, or we met the 0.382. Sorry, the minimum target for a wave forward pullback is the 0.236. And we've come down to the 0.382. Usually you're going to see a bounce off the 0.382 or the 0.5 for a wave forward pullback. We've been consolidating over the weekend, creating this symmetrical wedge pattern. Now, if this wedge were to break down, it would invalidate this structure. As we break the wave 5, we come all the way down to the golden ratio. And if we were to lose the golden ratio, then we come all the way back down to where you started at about 53 cents. However, if we hold this level of support and we bounce to the upside, the breakout target could take you right up to our wave 5 target. And if you've been watching our channel for a while, you know to measure your wave 5. Take your trend-based pivot extension from the bottom of wave 2 up to the top of wave 3 to the bottom of wave 4. If we were to bounce off to 0.382, you would target the 618, which is coming in at $1.10 for Matic, and that's where I've dropped in our yellow box for a potential wave 5, which would complete the larger wave 3. Very, very similar level of consolidation as we saw right here when we completed our wave 1. We just traded sideways, chip chop sideways, and then we eventually broke back out to the upside. So once again, just trading chip chop sideways in this symmetrical wedge pattern, waiting for the potential breakout. That could take you all the way up here to about $1.06 to about $1.20 to complete that wave 5. That's the target I'm looking at, unless we come down and we lose about 73 cents, which is the 0.5. Then it would invalidate that as a wave forward pullback, and we'd have to look at a different structure for our friend Matic. If we were to come down and lose the golden ratio, I do think we'd see a reversal and come all the way back down to where we started. But if we look at Matic here on the daily, let me just zoom this out a little bit. This is what you want to see, guys. We just pumped really, really hard, so we want to see some consolidation. As you can see, we have a beautiful bull flag pattern. We're overbought on the RSI and the money flow, as we've been mentioning on the channel, and that yet does usually signify either a move back down or some consolidation, and that's what we've been doing here. We've been consolidating. So if we do see continuation, the technical target is all the way up here at about $1.42, which is very, very close to a major level of support. Now flipped as resistance at about $1.35, $1.36, an absolutely massive level. We haven't quite met the technical target of this cup and handle at $1.16, and your next resistance to watch here is sitting at about $1.04. for our friend Matic. So just a quick little update here. We're still respecting this wave count unless we lose 73 cents. Especially if we lose the golden ratio, then that wave count would be invalidated. But as of right now, we are holding the support of the 0.382. So if you see us start to break this down sloping resistance line, it could be a nice breakout for our wave 5 within our wave 3 to take you up in between about $1.06 and $1.20, $1.22. Just going to quickly open up the Discord. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits at the $10 membership until the end of the month. And then it's going to be bumped up to $25 a month. So if you get in now at $10, you're locked in at $10 for life, as long as you don't leave and try to come back in. We recently locked in some juicy gains on our Gala trade, as you can see right here. Locked in 50% gains, broke even on the rest of the trade. I also give my analysis, my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt positions as well. And over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it. You can sign up through the Patreon. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,500 in bonuses. All links are in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.